but did we still eat it? Now this time I'm making it into perfection. First we'll mix our flour, 2 cups of flour, and our baking soda. And I put salt together. Salt. And I will put my milk, 1/3 of milk. I'll put that together. Put my cinnamon, ground cinnamon, which is 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I love cinnamon, guys. If you do it. And then you can also put vanilla. Since I ran out of vanilla extract, so I omit it. And then I will put my egg. I'm just going to mix it one at a time. I think there is a way that you can do classes, but me, I'm just gonna do it what I know. And we'll sit aside. And this time I am smashing the banana by fork. So I like to taste my banana, my banana bread with a chunk of banana bread. You know, chunk of banana, I mean. So you can smash your banana with any different kind of method, but this is how I do it. Good enough. I don't have to really mash the banana really hard. Let's add our dry ingredients. The flour, 2 cups of flour, and baking soda. This time, I am putting my maple syrup. I want to put 1 tablespoon of maple syrup in the place of my vanilla extract. syrup you like. Okay, any maple syrup you like. Okay, then I'm putting my semi-sweet chocolate. The reason I put chocolate, I don't usually put chocolate on my banana bread. The reason is I'm cooking this for my kids. They love chocolate. My husband. Alright. Okay, that is ready to put it. And I set my oven for 350 degrees. And let's put it in a loaf of pan. I spray it with olive oil, non-stick olive oil. And I am putting this, the lining. I'll put it in here. It's easy to remove the cake. Just gonna do like that. And voila, let's put this in. I just have to do like that to make it flat. Alright, my oven is ready. I am going to put it for 35 minutes. Finally made homemade banana bread from scratch, because my daughter has been want me to make some banana bread, because my eldest daughter, because she loves it. And I made one the other day, but it wasn't good, so me and my husband eating it. But I was not satisfied. So this time, I hope this will turn out very good, so my daughter can eat it. Alright, I am waiting for 35 minutes for the banana bread to finish, and I will see you soon. Guys, am I the only one having a face mask problem? Look at my face, it's so red. It go down like this. So anyway, very sensitive skin. Alright, we'll see you soon. Alright guys, it's done. You know, I added a bit more minutes. Make it at 65 minutes. Oh, this is looking. Alright, it's still hot. And we are going to cut that when it's cool down. Okay. It tastes different than the first one I made. This is definitely a keeper. First time homemade banana bread made from scratch. Because I usually make those ready-made banana bread, but this time I made it a homemade. It's delicious. It's not that hard. If you have a will to make it, you can do it. With ice cream, guys. This is my lunchtime. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.